The homeless man who's in love with me said I've got the prettiest eyes he's ever seen, sky blue like a summer's day, and he would know. He hollers my name in a crowded place with a great big grin across his face, and he wants you to know, Lisa, Lisa, and I never even kissed her. He lives behind the grocery store in a Salvation Army bin that's meant for clothes. He wants me to move on in, to be his lady, his next of kin, so he proposed. Last winter, some guy froze to death, and I spent days not knowing what to expect until the homeless man who's in love with me strolled back into the grocery store. I fussed at him, and now he knows to report in when the temperature goes below 32. He had a little dog who had a little sign, "We'll rough for dog food." He gave the dog to a little girl. She took the little dog out of the old man's world. Then he walked into the grocery store and told me he didn't have the little dog anymore. Yeah, the dog had finally found a home, but the homeless man is still alone.